Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Hobbii. Hobbii is one of my favorite online yarn stores, and they sent me some lovely yarns to test. This week, Hobbii is offering an extra 5% off on all of their products. The discount code is on the screen as well in the description box. It has almost 2,000 free patterns by designers from all over the world. So there's definitely something for everyone. Or you can sign up and become a Hobbii Plus member to get more benefits. Alright, the first one I have is one of the newest additions. They have been in store for a little while now, but I haven't got my hands on it until now. So I'm excited to test it out. It's pretty squishy and soft. This is a number 3 category yarn. Each skein is about 50 grams, that's about 75 meters long. The recommended crochet hook is 4mm to 4.5mm. One of the favorite things I love about this yarn is it comes with a tag. This is like heaven, you know what I mean? It makes life so much easier. I love using cotton yarn to crochet bags, and this yarn is also suitable for any type of crafts, as well as garments for everyone, including babies, because of the softness and lightweight, and it works amazingly well with textured stitches. This yarn has over 50 different colors to choose from, and they're all beautiful. Sometimes this creates a problem. This is probably the softest cotton yarn I have ever worked with, and it wears up quickly. One amazing thing about the French yarns are color number corresponded, which means you can order the same color number from 2 different French yarns and they will match. How amazing is that? Make sure to order some and use my discount code to get an extra 5% off. The next one I'm going to test is the Snowstorm. The name makes me feeling cold, and being cold is not my favorite thing. Because of the material it is made from, so it will keep me warm and cozy when it's -20 outside. It's pretty squishy. I don't feel it scratching when I have it on my skin. It feels really nice and soft. It's a bulky yarn, number 5 category. Each skein is about 50 grams, that's about 50 meters long. The recommended crochet hook size is 8mm, so this works up really fast, and it will be perfect making hats and sweaters. There are over 20 different colors to choose from, and they are all sold out. Wow! You see, this is how much is needed for winter. I hope they bring it back. I would definitely order it again. The last one I have is the most expensive yarn that I have ever come across. The first time I laid my hands on it, I was surprised of how soft the material is. The colors are beautifully blended together, and it feels amazing against my skin. And it's really squishy. This is a number 1 category yarn, which means it's quite thin. Each ball comes in a pretty big size, about 770 meters long. It is lightweight, and it's perfect to make scarves and other lace patterns. I really wish this yarn comes with a tag at the tail for an easy start, because I'm making a big mess, and now I have to untangle this in order to move on. After making this pattern, it still feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. So this yarn works really well on all types of stitches. And that's all for now. Make sure to enter a discount code to grab an extra 5% off on all other products. The deadline is December 7th. And I'll see you next time. Bye!